Hey YouTube, I'm here to show you this Husqvarna chainsaw that I found outside. Somebody threw it away. Husqvarna. Here's the chain brake piece. It's missing a lot of parts, but the motor is in good condition. Very good. And it's very well compression. Let me get you focused here. Focus down there. Oh, never mind. Okay, well, I'll just put you right here on the leg. Just put you right here on the leg. Okay. Then we'll just very good compression. It works very well. Okay, I'll put the Husqvarna chain breaker up. Chain breaker. And you right across that. Make sure you can see the chainsaw. You see the chainsaw. Okay. Here's the chainsaw. Compression. Very good compression. See, very excellent compression. Okay, so now we're gonna take you to the spark plug. The original spark plug is right here. It's a Champion sorry about the nails again. CJ7Y. The one I'm using here is from an Echo PB250, which is the NGK. I can't really read that, but yeah, you can. See, it's an 8Y. Now we're gonna show you she has some good sparkage. Now we're gonna ground her. We're gonna ground her to the plug. So we're gonna use our foot here to hold it in place. Use our foot to hold her. Turn her off. Then we're gonna ground her. Okay, hang on. Okay, now you can see the sparking element. Okay, so get that on there. You can see that she has excellent sparkage. Very excellent spark. I don't know if you guys could see that, but yeah, she has a very good spark. Okay, well, yeah. Okay, so focus on the plug here. I'm just gonna, okay, I'm gonna do the sparking again. Except this time, I'm gonna steep the grounds. Put it on the floor now. Put it on the floor. I need you to hold this for me. There's our cat. I'm recording. Sorry, that's my mother. I need her help here for a minute or two. I need you to hold this right about like there. Okay. just a little bit closer. There. Okay. Hopefully you saw that. She has great spark. She has good spark. Working it this way, so you can see it a little better. Now, I'm going to do this for several more times. I'm going to show you with a different spark plug now. Show you with I'm going to show you from the spark plug from a Red Max EBZ series. I think it was EBZ. I don't remember its model number. Handheld blower. Now then, here's the handheld, the handheld blower spark plug. Okay, hang on. She has excellent spark with both spark plugs. Okay, so that's gonna pop her out. And yeah, so you can see the spark plug there. It's that little brownish area right here. This little brownish area is where the spark plug boot on the Red Max was cracked. So when I put this all, when I screw the plug back in, I'm gonna hang tight in for now. Slap the boot on. Okay, and then I'm gonna try and pull it. Yep, excellent compression. And I do believe you could see the cylinder from inside here. So let's turn that on, and then we're gonna get you inside the port where the cylinder is. Get you inside the port where the cylinder is. Okay, right there. That's the intake port right there. So I'm gonna turn you upside down for a little while so you can see inside the intake port. There's the intake port. I'm gonna turn over the piston. I'm gonna turn the piston over just a little bit. Let's see. The piston is in almost completely near good condition. Some minor scoring, but it's actually in perfect condition. It's very well compression. See if we can get a focus on the crankshaft. Yeah. But yeah, she has excellent compression. Here's a little grommet from the carburetor, where the carburetor used to be. It fits right in there, just like that. Okay, fits just like that, nice and snug and tight. Put it in there, nice and snug and tight. So let's get it out of the way. I mean okay, well, we have the grommet in, okay. Now then, I'm going to be buying this thing. I will be buying this thing a new carburetor. Ouch. This thing was missing. The carburetor, a new spark plug, and I'm going to see if she fires over. And if she don't, I'm going to be trying and sell the recoil pad. Try and sell the recoil pad. The The muffler is in perfect condition. And if you guys know, how do you get rid of calluses? I don't like this calluses buildup at all. Yeah, so if we can't get her running, I'll try and sell the parts. Everything is in excellent condition. Her clutch is in near perfect shape. Yeah, and then she has excellent compression, of course, as many of you know. Trying to take quite a bit of force there. Takes quite a bit of force. Yes, we can lift the machine up like that. And try to pull it on its compression stroke. It lifts right up. So yeah. And inside the fuel tank and oil tank, we're gonna take a look inside those now. Okay. Man, the oil tank is stubborn. It's a stubborn man. It's always a stubborn. The oil cap is a stubborn one. It's a little stubborn, more stubborn than usual. It's a really stubborn one, but yeah. Take a look inside there. Both our fingers. Turn the light on. Take a look inside the oiler. Take a look inside this. She looks pretty good. She looks pretty good in there. And then, yeah, we have this thing. The rope is pink from whatever oil they use inside of it. Okay, so I'm gonna get that screwed back down. Okay, I'm gonna look inside the gasoline area. Okay, I'm gonna take a look inside the gas area. The gas area looks pretty good. Okay, so we're gonna tighten those up. This bad boy, I'm gonna try and get it back on his feet. And yeah, and thank you for watching. This has been a video of my Husqvarna E-Series 137. Thank you for watching.